Sometimes winter tools aren't about power, they're about making life quietly easier. This is one of those tools people wish they had before the first snowfall. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're reviewing the Skil PWR Core 2010-inch cordless snow shovel kit. This is a compact, battery-powered snow shovel designed for walkways, patios, decks, and single-car driveways where a full-size snow blower would be excessive. If you want to reduce physical strain, avoid gas-powered machines, and still clear snow efficiently, this product is clearly worth your attention. The purchase link is available in the description and pinned comment. This snow shovel clears a 10-inch wide path and throws snow up to 20 feet away, helping keep cleared areas clean and usable. It includes a 20V 4.0 battery and a 60W charger, making it a complete, ready-to-use kit. The lightweight build, telescoping handle, and split shaft design focus on comfort, control, and easy storage. Reason number 1, less physical effort. Manual shoveling demands repeated lifting and twisting. This electric snow shovel removes most of that strain by using a powered auger to move snow forward and away. It's a noticeable difference, especially during frequent snowfalls. Reason number 2, designed for smaller spaces. This shovel is ideal for patios, decks, and walkways where larger snow blowers feel awkward. The plastic auger is safe for these surfaces, helping prevent damage while still clearing efficiently. Reason number 3, practical battery performance. With the included 4.0 battery, the shovel can clear up to 3 inches of snow from a one-car driveway on a single charge. That's realistic, usable performance rather than inflated claims. Reason number 4, lightweight and comfortable handling. The telescoping handle adjusts to different user heights, improving posture and control. Its balanced weight makes it easy to guide without feeling top-heavy or tiring during use. Reason number 5, clean snow displacement. Throwing snow up to 20 feet keeps it out of your way rather than piling it beside your path. This helps reduce re-clearing and keeps entrances usable after finishing the job. Reason number 6, easy storage and ownership. The split shaft folds down for compact storage, which matters in garages with limited space. There's no fuel, no oil, and no seasonal maintenance to manage. Reason number 7, trusted tool ecosystem. The included battery works across the Skil PWR Core 20 platform, adding long-term value. It's a system trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers who prioritize convenience and reliability. Final verdict: this is not a replacement for a heavy-duty snow blower, and it's best suited for light to moderate snowfall. However, for homeowners who want a quieter, simpler, and less physically demanding way to manage winter maintenance, this shovel stands out. It's especially well suited for routine clearing and compact spaces. If that sounds like your situation, it's a smart and practical addition to your winter tools. Take a moment to review the details through the link below and decide what fits your winter routine best.